Howdy, it's Jim Morado, and this is late June 2023. I was back in my old hometown of Owensboro, Kentucky recently, and a friend took me to the Cottage Farm Stand and Baking Company. And man, was I impressed. I think this is an old farmhouse kind of place repurposed. They've got bees. Check that out. I love that. I know there was a place at Land Between the Lakes that used to have something like this, where you could kind of see the bees. They actually come into the house, but they're still technically outside. I guess I just think that's cute. Anyway, this is a great little bakery slash coffee shop kind of place, and we stopped by here. And man, I was happy to see this in Owensboro. Owensboro has really upped its game, in my opinion, over the last decade or so, and I'm just happy to see cool, classy little places like this opening up in the area. And this place, but yeah, look at that. Check that out. We ended up getting one of their, I think it's a bubble waffle, and my friend and I shared it, and it was plenty for the two of us. We both had drinks. I had some sort of cinnamon latte kind of drink that was great. I'm still thinking about it. They absolutely nailed it. And we sat and just kind of relaxed. Saw a lot of locals come through. Obviously, this place is popular, and justifiably so. It's wonderful. There's an old photo of the house before they kind of revamped it into this. So yeah, check out those tables. Very comfortable. Just a nice place to come and sit. And we had a pleasant time here. There was a young, enthusiastic staff working that they were just pleasant. They were on the ball. They were getting stuff done. Oh yeah, there's our waffle. Man, I don't know how to explain this, but check it out. Those little bubbles were almost like little mini muffins, and it was just really good. And yeah, glad I got that. And we got there kind of early before the crowd hit. Before we left, this place was filling up quick, and there was a line. Lots of people outside too. So I was just really happy to see this. And I was not happy to drive away. Had to go meet some other family, and yeah, had to end my trip here. But I was really glad that I was introduced to it. Have you been there? What do you think? Just really impressed with this little business in Owensboro.